So if you're looking for a way to post multiple photos into one post on Instagram, it's called an Instagram carousel. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. Let's jump in. So once we've opened Instagram, we're just going to go up to the top left-hand corner and click the plus sign. Down at the bottom, we're going to select post. And now this is the key. Down below your photo preview, you want to tap on where it says select. And now we can select multiple photos. So we have our lamp there, our shelf, microphone, coffee cup. And now that we have those selected, we click on the arrow next to new post. And this would be a good time to mention too, that if you found this video because you're interested in growing your business on Instagram, then I've got a free resource for you. It's a free Instagram for Business kit. And it covers how to get followers, how to navigate the algorithm updates, and measure your results. Plus, it comes with post and story templates and expert guidance on hashtags, also reel strategy and posting for maximum growth. All the things that you need to do to grow your Instagram for business, and it's completely free. So all you have to do is click the link in the description and it's all yours. Let's jump in. So now once we get to this point, we can do some things to edit this. The first thing that we want to do is adjust the shape of the photos. You can either keep it in the full kind of vertical format or the square. So right next to the photo, you see there's a little icon in the bottom left-hand corner, some little guidelines. You tap on that and it gives you the option for the portrait or the square. I'm going to select square. That's just a personal preference, but totally up to you. Okay. Now you can see all of your photos as you scroll through there are in that square format. I think that's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing when you're scrolling through Instagram to see the photos pop up that way. Next, we can adjust the order of the photos. So let's say I don't want to start with the lamp. I want to start with the shelf. So I'm just going to tap and hold the lamp, slide it over and pop it next to the shelf. So now my shelf is the first image that pops up, then the lamp, so I like that. Okay. Now we can also go through each photo and edit them. So we'll click on the photo and let's say we want to add a filter to that. So we could make it nice and warm. So we're going to do kind of a cool black and white photo there. And then you can also take and pinch the photo and resize it or slide it around wherever you want it to line up. So we're going to have it like that. We'll click done. You can also add text onto the photo. So we'll click on the text button and we'll go coffee, change the font and click done. We'll just have that appear. You just slide it with your finger to move it around wherever you want. And you go like that, and then you hit done. So now you can go through and edit each one of your photos that way, or you can also apply text over the whole thing as you see in the controls down at the bottom, okay? Or filters or overlays, anything you want that way. What's also really nice about the carousel is you can add music. So you see down there where it says audio, we're going to click on that. And now you can scroll through either the songs for you or the trending audio. Let's see what we got for you. And I'll tap that. That's kind of nice. There we go. And now we have the audio will be playing as people look through your carousel, which I kind of like that feature. Then we're going to hit next and you want to write up a caption, hit the check mark up at the top right-hand corner. And now you can tag people and you can add locations, all the same features like you would with a normal post. And then once you have it all ready, you just hit share. Takes a moment to process that, to put it all together. And then you see once that pops up, now you have the slide. And you can see down in the bottom right-hand corner, there is a little audio icon. You tap on that. You can hear the audio. And then we'll just scroll through. And that's how people will view your carousel. So just a really cool feature to be able to group photos together into one post, especially if you have a sequence of photos that you want to tell a story or details that you want to show on something like in my case, and it groups them all together and gives one viewing experience for your audience. I hope you found this video helpful and I will see you in the next one.